What challenges does RAG solve in natural language processing? ANT's RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation model, solves several challenges in natural language processing. One of the primary challenges it addresses is context understanding. Traditional language models often struggle to understand the context of a query, leading to responses that may not be coherent or meaningful. RAG retrieval component helps to overcome this challenge by considering the context of a query, allowing it to generate more accurate and relevant responses. Another challenge RAG solves is information retrieval. Traditional language models often rely on generating responses from scratch, which can be time-consuming and inefficient. RAG, on the other hand, leverages retrieval-based methods to efficiently search through large datasets or document corpora to retrieve relevant information. This approach improves the accuracy and relevance of generated responses. RAG also addresses the challenge of bias and misinformation. Traditional language models can perpetuate bias and misinformation by generating responses that are based on incomplete or inaccurate information. RAG can help mitigate this challenge by prioritizing credible sources and validating retrieved information, enhancing the reliability of the generated content. Finally, RAG solves the challenge of personalization. Traditional language models often generate responses that are generic and lack personalization. RAG can be adapted to personalize responses based on user preferences or historical interactions by retrieving and utilizing relevant information from previous interactions or user profiles.